So hello students, in this video I will discuss how to calculate the factorial of a number in PLSQL. So first of all we have to declare a number. I want to calculate the factorial of this number is n. Again I is a number, I will use this number in my program, and again fact is the number. So these three variables I have declared. Now begin section is there. So I want to enter the value of n at runtime. So for that I have to use n. So this is used for assignment statement, and this value will be calculated at the runtime, n equals to n. Next, so I equals to 1, I am initializing I equals to 1, and fact equals to 1, I am initializing fact equals to 1. So n value I will take at runtime. Value of I is 1 and value of fact is 1. Now what I will do, I will start a loop while I is less than equal to n. I will start loop. So loop fact will be equals to fact into I, and I will be equals to I plus 1. So this is statement. And end loop, here I want to display the output. For displaying the output we use dbms underscore put dot put underscore line. Here I will display factorial of this number is here. What is the factorial? Fact and end. So let me explain you this program. Suppose the value of n is 5 and I is 1. 1 is less than 5, it is true, and fact will become 1 into 1, fact will become 1. Now I will become 2, and again this loop will be executed. 2 is less than equal to 5, true, fact will be equals to 1 into 2, I equals to 3. Similarly fact equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So this loop will continue, and at the end of the loop I am displaying the value of this factorial. So syntax of while statement is while, then condition, this is the condition, then we will use loop keyword, and that this is the body of the while loop, and this is the end loop, and here I am displaying the value of the factorial. So let us try to run this program. So click on run. So see, here I have to enter the value of the n. So suppose I enter 5 and submit, and factorial of this number is 120. So factorial of 5 is 120. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. So this is how you can calculate the factorial of a number. So with the help of while loop you can also create your own programs, like how to find the sum of digits of a number, how to find the numbers, even numbers between 1 to 100. So this way you can do your programming. So I hope you have understand this program.